Hello everyone, April Storm here, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to begin the week 1 challenge hosted by LineDotArrow and Nonstop Papercrafts in their hashtag Elegant Burgundy collaboration. I have been asked to be a design team member for LineDotArrow, and I am so excited and so honored to say yes. If you missed my last video, go back and check it out. I'll link it below. Also, all the details will be there as well. There are 7 Facebook groups taking part and prizes you can win. So 7 groups means 7 chances to win. This month is all about collaging, and week 1 is to collage a journal topper. So let's get started. So what I've done here is put some burgundy fabric over my book, and then I laid this beautiful I want to say that it was a placemat, and I've put it over top, and now I want to start building my journal topper. I got this piece from one of the kits. I believe it was Nathalie's kit. And all these pieces that I have here are the freebies that I got from all of the 7 Facebook groups. Every Facebook group has freebies each week. And I'm going to see if I can use these freebies to build it up and, just kind of challenge myself with that. I was torn between that little lady and this lady here. The other one was very nice and matchy-matchy. This one gives some contrast, which I think I kind of like better. We have in these freebies, we have several ladies that we can choose from, or we can put anything on the front of the journal. I just really wanted one of these ladies to be on the front of mine. And no matter what I choose, I keep going back to her. So I think she's going to stay. Now let's speed this up a little for you. There are a lot of factors that go into deciding what you're going to put on your journal topper. Of course, we're using a slimline journal, so we don't have a lot of width. We got plenty of height to play with, but we want to keep our width under control. I want to show as much of that placemat as I can while still making a beautiful topper. I was so excited when they included these paper doilies. They are so pretty. And I put the white one on top of the burgundy one to bring out the contrast with her. I just love this fabric. I want to incorporate it somehow, but we need something burgundy to go on top of it and under the topper. It's nice because it has this sheen, this shimmer to it that I just love. Now it's just about measuring and getting it the way I like it. I have a variety of burgundy colors and red, so I'm gonna have to play around a bit until I find the right combination of cream and burgundy that works well with the kind of burgundy that's on my topper. Everything is more beautiful with a butterfly. So now I just need to find the right butterfly for this topper. I want to try out a variety of frames to see if that will highlight her better or if I'm going to stick to my original base. And so I decide that frames are not going to work and I'm going to stick to the original. I'm inspired by how the crocheted fabric peeks out from each side. So I decided that I needed to build that up along the top and bottom using the pieces from the digital kit. Oh, I love these gorgeous little tags. I knew the moment I saw them they were going in this topper or on it. I'll start gathering more and more of my little pieces to see what I have. I like that little butterfly there. And this card that has Happy New Year on it, I thought it's this time of year, it's the perfect little touch, and it can hold that small tag for me. I decide that tag goes better behind the doily. I'm really enjoying my crafting time. Although these pieces are a bit tedious, I still enjoy them. Most people don't really enjoy the winter time, but I do. I enjoy the snow. I don't like to be out in it, but I enjoy when it's snowing. I wish it would snow here, but I do enjoy the cold weather. Just having 4 seasons is important to me. Now it's time to work on this fabric. I need to get the measurements right and get all that cut. And we're well on our way to becoming complete with this topper. So now we're coming to the end of our journey here together. I'm going to take this to the sewing machine and add some eyelets and some other details, and then I will see you back here. So here's the finished topper, and as you can see, I sewed all around it and added the eyelets, and this tucks right down in there really nicely. And so we have a beautiful journal topper. Little sneak peek at all the goodies inside. So I hope you enjoyed my video and you come back for more content. Give me a like, give me a subscribe, and maybe leave me a comment. Thanks, y'all. Stay warm. It's cold. Bye.